Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and I'm here to show you how to knit a roving pattern. If you're following a pattern with two colors, it will all be spelled out for you in the pattern. But if you wanted to design your own, you might draw some shapes that you like, and then just transfer them down here as V's into the little boxes on the graph paper, and you'll see that the V's, the orange V's on this one represent the lines that I drew with my pencil. You could do something whimsical like a girl in a dress with a square head, or just some interesting patterns. This is an example of a roving pattern that was done just this way. And when you get comfortable with it, you'll begin to make it up in your mind, and you won't even need to do this. So you'd start out with your background color, and then you'd add your next color. So if I'm on here, I would see that I was going to knit background, color, background, color, color, color. So let's do the background and the color, background, color, 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 and then background, background. What you need to know, what you need to remember while you're doing this is that you don't want to go more than about 3 stitches between colors. And if you do go more than 3 stitches, you'll want to pull the one color along with you. So that I'm wrapping this around and pulling it along with me. You also don't want to pull this one too tight when it's time to use it, because that will make your piece bunch up. So now it's time for a background, and it's right there. And when there was only 1 stitch, there's nothing that needs to be done. And then a background and color, color. So that's the way to do roving stitches. That means that they move from one place to another as though you were drawing a line. I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and that was how to knit a roving pattern.